Hey, hello. So this week we are coming up with 8 feel-good films that you should watch during this quarantine period, during this lockdown, to get your spirits up and running.
Definitely.
And feel alive again.
So on number 8, I think we have put Meri Pyari Bindu. So Meri Pyari Bindu is an unusual love story of childhood buddies Abhimanyu and Bindu. This movie explores various themes such as friendship and unrequited love, which is wonderfully supported by Ayushmann Khurrana's narration throughout its course. While the lead characters of this film play their parts smoothly, old Bollywood songs and references in this film have a character of its own. Okay, seeing Abhimanyu and Bindu bond over old tunes of Bappi Lahiri and Kishore Kumar is a pure delight.
On number 7, I would like to recommend a film that is my personal favorite. The film is from 2009 and it is called Rocket Singh Salesman of the Year. This film is so criminally underrated because it was way ahead of its time.
Right.
This film is to entrepreneurs what Munna Bhai MBBS was to doctors and Jolly LLB was to lawyers. It has that amazing underdog story of a man taking on the system, which instantly make you root for our charming Ranbir Kapoor.
Oh my god, yes.
With funny characters, compelling plot, this movie will breeze right past you and you will definitely have a cathartic experience with this film.
Moving on number 6, ये मूवी है जो काफ़ी क्रिटिकली अक्लेम्ड मूवी थी. पहले काफ़ी लोगों ने नहीं देखी थी, बट स्लोली व्हेन इट स्टार्टेड गेटिंग अवार्ड, स्लोली व्हेन यू नो अक्लेम्स आते गए ऑन इट्स वे, पीपल स्टार्टेड कैचिंग अप ऑन इट. So this movie is The Lunchbox on number 6. A lot has already been spoken about this film, but if you have still not watched it, please go check it out. This film is all heart. So इस मूवी का plot is like in an unusual setting, the leads of this film with similar conflicts cross paths and discover each other and themselves by writing letters to each other. Isn't it interesting?
Yeah, definitely. And a plus point is that both Irfan and Nawaz acting in the same movie, so it's pure delight to watch.
Yeah, and obviously how can we forget Nirmit Kaur? आगे बढ़ते हुए अगर हम प्लॉट की बात करें तो the exchange of letters between Ira and Sajan Fernandez, जो lead characters के नाम हैं, cleverly crafted in a narration format, gives us dialogues like sometimes we forget things because we have nobody to tell them to. These dialogues stay with you long after the movie ends.
On number 5, there is a movie that came out in 2013 called Mere Dad Ki Maruti. It was from a subsidiary banner of Yash Raj Films, which is called Y Films. I think which was called Y Films because I think it's not active anymore. So I watched this film right after my SSC exams and it was the perfect film for me at that time. This film is a celebration of that young and anxiety-inducing phase that we all go through in our lives. The quarrels between a young son and the aging disappointed dad are so delightfully relatable. The show stealers of this film are definitely Ram Kapoor and Prabal Punjabi, who plays Gattu in this film. Every moment with them still makes me laugh so hard. Definitely watch it to lift your spirits.
On number 4, we have another film which is a family drama. And Shantanu, what is it?
This is the fairly recently released film called Panga. Kangana Ranaut is one of the, if not the best actress working in Bollywood at this time. The subtle nuances that she brings to this film are so heartwarming. I guarantee it that you will find your own great Indian mother in her. It is a predictable sports movie, but it is thoroughly funny and enjoyable and uplifting. The scenes between Kangana and her son are just pure gold. You should also watch it to get that fitness motivation that you have lost by working out at home.
On number 3, we have Do Duni Char. So Do Duni Char revolves around the life of a middle class family of a math teacher and their plight to buy a new car. The one-liner of this film may seem quite simple, and that is what makes it very special. While Duggal sir's family struggles to make money, we see them arguing over petty issues like कार की पैसेंजर सीट पर कौन बैठेगा, कार की पैसेंजर सीट पर बैठने वाला इंसान रेडियो ऑपरेट करेगा कि पीछे बैठे वाला इंसान रेडियो ऑपरेट करेगा. ऑल दीज मोमेंट्स आर सो फ्रीकिंग रिलेटेबल एंड डाउनराइट हिलेरियस. ये मूवी स्लाइस ऑफ लाइफ जॉनर का परफेक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन है एंड यू मस्ट वॉच इट विथ योर फैमिली राइट अवे.
On number 2, I have the best highest film that India has ever produced. I mean, at least in the last 20 years. I'm talking about Kosla Ka Ghosla. It is the best film in this category. Realistic plot, impeccable writing, extraordinary art direction. I mean, दिल्ली की हर सड़क, हर चौराहा, हर उनके घर की एक एक चीज टिपिकल दिल्ली शाउट आउट कर रही होती है. ऑथेंटिक एक्टिंग, एक भी ह्यूमर वाला मोमेंट फोर्स्ड नहीं लगता. मतलब फोर्स्ड कॉमेडी बिल्कुल नहीं है, स्लैपस्टिक कॉमेडी बिल्कुल नहीं है. एवरीथिंग फील्स सो रियल इन दिस फिल्म. इट इज सिचुएशनल कॉमेडी एट इट्स बेस्ट एंड योर spirits will definitely be lifted by seeing this middle class family plot a revenge against the evil Khurrana.
On number 1, I have Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na. So if you are a Shah Rukh fan, if you think Shah Rukh is talented and versatile, you should have seen him back in the 90s, guys. Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na is one of his best performances where he plays Sunil, a protagonist who is not a hero, who fails in life, does all the morally incorrect stuff to win a girl and impress his friends, yet manages to win our hearts. Even after 25 years of its release, this movie is so fresh. Also, the songs of this film, man, they are equally refreshing.
Hey guys, what you just heard was a little clip from my new podcast called The Sinister Siblings. If you want to listen to the full episode, click on this link. Consider subscribing also cause we have new episodes every Wednesday and Friday. We also have new videos on this channel every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturdays. So consider subscribing. Thanks for liking and commenting. Take care.